Okay, so once you're logged in to your dashboard, here's how you can do an editing of an asset. There's a couple different ways. If you know the asset number that you're looking for, you can just enter it into the top search box, or you can enter any of the information you may know about that. You can also do a little report under the puzzle piece icon and get a list of your assets. In this case, we only have one, so you can click on just the total assets or your list to bring you to your assets. So in this case, we have our sample site, and here is our single asset we have here. You click on this, and it'll give you just a snapshot of what you're looking at. And if you really want to go into more details, you can, and to edit the asset, you actually want to right-click more details and then open up in a new tab. That's going to allow you to keep your main dashboard on one page, and then you can edit and print from here. So once you're on this screen, you're going to want to go and click on this Edit Asset button. Now we are altering the information about this particular piece on the given day. Here's where you have a chance to change the date. Every time you're editing an asset, you should go in and change the date of service. That is important so that when you save your choices, that they'll show up in the history. So you want to go ahead and update any of these fields that you may feel have changed in your PM. Scroll to the bottom once you've completed this and click on the Submit button. That will save your changes, and then it'll take you back to the main asset screen. Now when you click on your History tab, you can see what has been done on what date. You can also click on the other tabs. There's no events right now. You can add additional photos from here. You can go and put some documents in there. In this case, we've put some of the sling sizing, maybe the specifications of the equipment that you're looking at, and then a copy of the user manual. You can also link it, say, to another asset as a sling, or maybe in this case, it would be an overhead ceiling track. Maintenance, if there's any programs that you're paying for or any scheduled preventative maintenance, you can put in there. And then, of course, the History tab. Back to the details page, and then from there you can either go to print or re-edit, or you can break that asset and leave some notes as to why it's breaking, or you can email that asset from this screen. So that is the editing asset screen.